What's up, online shoppers? I was just gifted this gorgeous pair of Thong slide sandals, and I can't wait to get them out of the box. Now, it's still winter where I live, but there's nothing stopping me from dreaming about beautiful warm weather and the weather I want to wear these shoes. Look at how adorable these shoes are. Now, these are really, really nice. They're a thong design because they are gonna wrap around your big toe. They are made of PU leather, which is polyurethane, and they have this really nice soft, flexible latex sole with a really nice microfiber layer that lines the footbed with some also additional padding. And I just think that these are so cute. Let's get the other one out of the box. Number two. What makes these stand out to me, and the reason I picked them, is the details. I love the little buckles right here. They are actually connected with a rivet on the back, which means nice high quality construction. As well, I like that the straps actually go underneath into the sole. They're not just glued to the side, which means these are very durable and they are going to last a long time. Now, something else that's cool about these shoes is that our feet aren't all shaped the same way. So you can actually adjust here and here with real buckles to make the straps wider or narrower to fit your foot. These also have a really nice arch support in here, and I like the sole underneath. It's got lots of ridges and it's gonna have a really nice grip for when I'm walking on the beach, out for a walk just in the park. I really like that. As well, they're not a heavy clunky sandal. I like the weight of them. The soles of these are really nice and cushy, but I guess the best test is to put them on. So let's get them on my feet, see what they look like, and I'll tell you how they feel. Okay, here goes the test. We're slipping them on and taking them for a test drive. Wow. Those are awesome. They're super, super comfortable. I can tell that I am going to be living in these sandals this summer. Very excited about that. And I probably will do a little bit of fine tuning, maybe tighten the strap up here a little bit because it's a little bit loose, but I'm really happy with how they feel. They've got a nice bend to them when I'm wearing them. Really nice bend, super comfortable, and they are pretty sturdy on my feet. Overall, I'm impressed with the comfort of these. The footbed is really nice and cushy. It feels nice on my feet. Lots of room for my heel, and I don't feel like my feet are rubbing on the outer edges that kind of curve up a little bit. I am a 9.5, and these definitely fit true to size. They are a 9.5 as well. I'm really, really impressed with these sandals. Fantastic. If you're looking for a pair of really pretty sandals that are going to get you through the summer months, look stylish and be comfortable, customizable to your foot, super, super comfortable on the footbed, lots of padding. You got to check these ones out. They are the Dream Pairs Thong Slide Sandal, and I can tell that these are definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.